Hello learners, today I am going to talk about the present continuous tense. In this video, I am going to talk about the definition of the present continuous tense, the forms of it, and the detailed use of present continuous tense. Okay, how can we define the present continuous tense? The present continuous or the present progressive is a verb tense that we use to describe actions happening now, actions that are in progress, or actions that will occur in the near future. So, I will start looking at the form of the present continuous tense. It starts with the subject first plus am is are, auxiliary verbs, then base form of the main verb plus ing plus extension if needed. Look at the example. I'm teaching English at a secondary school. Another example, the boys are playing football now. Yes, this is the structure of present continuous affirmative form. Okay, let's have a look at the table with three columns. In the first column, I have put the subjects and then the auxiliary verbs and at last the verb of the verb base form with ing forms. I am reminding you again, present continuous is formed by subject plus auxiliary verb and the ing form of the base form. Here, the first column is the subject column. Second one is the auxiliary verb, and the last one is the ing form of the main verb. This is important to remember which auxiliary goes with which subject. Okay, let's have a look at the negative structure. It starts with subject plus am is are not. The auxiliary verb plus not plus v1, the base form plus ing plus extension if needed. Look at the examples. I am not teaching English at a college. The boys are not playing cricket now. Examples here, there is also another table with subject plus auxiliary verb plus the main verb with ing forms. Another structure of question form. The question form starts with question word auxiliary verb am is are plus subject plus v1 the base form plus ing plus question mark. Are you reading? What are you doing now? Yes, here is the another example of interrogative form. The interrogative form begins with an auxiliary verb plus subject plus the main verb plus ing form. Now we will learn how to use the present continuous form and when to use the present continuous form. Okay, we use present continuous to talk about activities at the moment of speaking. Look at the picture and look at the example. What is Rupa doing now? It means that what is she doing at the moment? Rupa is reading a book now. Yes, it is used when I am speaking about the continuous form. Okay, we use present continuous to talk about activities, things that have not finished yet. Look at the picture and look at the example. I'm reading David Copperfield these days. It means that I have started reading David Copperfield sometimes before now, and I'm still reading David Copperfield, and it may continue. Another example, she's looking for a new job. It means that she may not like her job, and so she is looking for another job, but she is still in his job. We also use present continuous to talk about future plans or arrangements. Look at the picture, look at the example. Muntaha is going to a new school next year. I'm talking now about Muntaha, but she has planned to go to a new school next year, not now. It is her plan or arrangement. We use present continuous to talk about a new pattern or habit or trend. Look at the picture and look at the example. People are using internet a lot less than they used to a few months ago. It means that people did not use internet like now. Okay, use present continuous to talk about a temporary event or situation. Look at the picture and look at the examples. He lives in London. It's a permanent situation. He's living for there for a long time and he has no plan to leave London. Next example, he is living with his uncle in London. It's a temporary situation. Maybe he is living with his uncle for a temporary purpose and he may not live there for a long time. We use present continuous to talk about a changing situation. Look at the picture, look at the example. The population of our country is increasing day by day. It means that now the population of our country is 16 crore and 8 lakh. Maybe it was only 16 crore last year and it may increase to 16 crore and 10 lakh next year. We use present continuous with always and constantly to describe and emphasize a continuing series of repeated action. Look at the picture. It's always raining here. It means that it's raining continuously. We also use present continuous to talk about physical feeling. Look at the picture. How are you feeling now? It's a question. My head is aching. She's describing her physical condition. She's feeling that her head is aching. We also use present continuous form to talk about mental feelings. Here we can use both present continuous and present simple. Look at the example. How are you feeling? Another sentence. How do you feel? Both are correct. Look at the picture and look at the example. We are feeling happy and we feel happy. In the first sentence, I've used present continuous form, and in the second sentence, I have used present simple form. Both examples are correct. We can use both present continuous and present indefinite to talk about the mental and physical condition. Okay, let's review what we have learned about the use of present continuous form. We use present continuous to talk about activities at the moment of speaking, activities or things that have not finished yet, future plans or arrangement, new pattern or habit or trend, temporary event or situation, changing situation, physical and mental feeling, And the last, the to describe and emphasize a continuing series of repeated action. I think my learners have known about some information. I think some effective information about the uses and forms of the present continuous form. I hope if they practice these structures, they will get benefit from my tutorial. Okay, thank you very much. I will see you next time.